CentraHub CRM Online Training. Overview of CentraHub CRM. CentraHub CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management solution designed to support businesses in managing their customer interactions, sales, and marketing efforts. Here's an overview of its key features and functionalities. 1. Core features. Contact management, centralized repository for storing and managing customer information, including contact details, interaction history, and related documents. Sales management, tools to track leads, opportunities, and sales processes. Features include sales pipeline management, forecasting, and performance analytics. Marketing automation, capabilities to automate marketing campaigns, segment customer lists, and track campaign performance. Includes email marketing, social media integration, and lead nurturing. Customer service management, features for handling customer inquiries, support tickets, and service requests. Includes a ticketing system, knowledge base, and customer self-service portal. Reporting and analytics, advanced reporting tools for generating insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and marketing effectiveness. Customizable dashboards and reports are available. Workflow automation, tools to automate repetitive tasks and streamline business processes. Includes customizable workflows, task assignments, and notifications. 2. Customization and integration. Customization. CentraHub CRM offers a high degree of customization to tailor the system to specific business needs. Users can customize fields, forms, and workflows to match their processes. Integration. Supports integration with various third-party applications and services, including email platforms, accounting software, and social media channels. Integration options are available through APIs and pre-built connectors. 3. User experience. User interface, designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive interface that facilitates easy navigation and quick access to essential features. Mobile access, provides mobile access through dedicated apps or responsive web design, allowing users to manage CRM functions on the go. 4. Deployment and support. Deployment options, available as both cloud-based and on-premises solutions, giving businesses flexibility in how they deploy the CRM system. Support and training, offers various support options, including online resources, customer support teams, and training programs to help users get the most out of the system. 5. Security and compliance. Data security, implements security measures to protect customer data, including encryption, access controls, and regular backups. Compliance, adheres to relevant industry standards and regulations to ensure data privacy and compliance. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Scalability, designed to scale with business growth, accommodating increasing amounts of data and users without compromising performance. Flexibility, can be adapted to fit a wide range of industries and business sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. CentraHub CRM features and benefits. CentraHub CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management system designed to enhance various aspects of business operations. Here's a detailed look at its features and benefits. Features. Contact management. Centralized database to store and manage customer information. Easy access to contact details, communication history, and interaction notes. Sales management. Lead and opportunity management to track sales pipelines and performance. Sales forecasting and reporting to help predict revenue and make informed decisions. Automated workflows for handling sales processes and follow-ups. Customer service. Ticketing system for managing customer support requests. Knowledge base and self-service portals to empower customers with information. Service level agreements, SLAs, to ensure timely response and resolution. Marketing automation. Email marketing campaigns with segmentation and personalization. Campaign tracking and analytics to measure effectiveness and ROI. Integration with social media platforms for broader reach and engagement. Analytics and reporting. Customizable dashboards and reports to track key performance indicators, KPIs. Advanced data analytics for insights into customer behavior and business trends. Visualization tools to make data interpretation easier. Mobile access. Mobile-friendly interface for accessing CRM data on the go. Mobile apps for managing tasks, contacts, and sales activities from smartphones or tablets. Integration capabilities. Integration with other business systems like ERP, email platforms, and financial software. API access for custom integrations and automation with third-party applications. Automation. Workflow automation for routine tasks, reducing manual effort and errors. Automated notifications and alerts for important events and deadlines. Customization. Flexible customization options to tailor the CRM to specific business needs. Custom fields, modules, and workflows to adapt to unique processes. Security and compliance. Role-based access control to ensure data security and privacy. User interface and navigation in CentraHub CRM. CentraHub CRM offers a user-friendly interface designed to streamline navigation and enhance the user experience. Here's an overview of its key elements. User interface, UI. Dashboard. Overview. The dashboard provides a customizable overview of key metrics and activities. Users can add and rearrange widgets to display information such as sales performance, recent activities, and upcoming tasks. Widgets includes charts, graphs, lists, and quick links to various CRM features. Widgets can often be personalized based on user preferences and roles. Navigation bar. Main menu. Typically located on the left or top of the screen, the main menu provides access to core modules like sales, marketing, customer support, and administration. Quick access offers shortcuts to frequently used features, such as adding new contacts or viewing recent records. Records and lists. Views. Users can switch between different views, example, list, Kanban, calendar, to manage and review records. Filters and search. Advanced search and filtering options help users quickly find specific records or data sets. Record detail pages. Tabs. Record detail pages often include tabs for different sections, such as contact information, related activities, and notes. Editable fields. Users can update information directly within the record detail page. Navigation. Breadcrumbs. Navigation path displays the current location within the CRM and allows users to navigate back to previous levels or modules. Global search. Search bar, located typically at the top of the interface, enabling users to perform quick searches across the CRM. It can search for contacts, opportunities, tasks, and other records. Menu and submenus. Hierarchical structure. The main menu usually includes submenus for different modules and functionalities, providing an organized structure for accessing various features. Contextual menus. Action options. Contextual menus or action buttons are available on record pages and lists, allowing users to perform actions like editing, deleting, or adding new records directly from the context. Customizable views. User preferences. Users can often customize their interface to display preferred modules, fields, and layouts based on their roles and responsibilities. Help and support. Help icon provides access to user guides, FAQs, and support resources, often available via a help icon or support menu. Additional features. Mobile responsiveness. Adaptive layout. The CRM interface is often designed to be responsive, ensuring a seamless experience across different devices, including smartphones and tablets. Customizing CentraHub CRM dashboards. Customizing dashboards in CentraHub CRM allows you to tailor the interface to better suit your needs and those of your team. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can customize your CentraHub CRM dashboards. 1. Accessing dashboard customization. Login. Start by logging into your CentraHub CRM account. Navigate to Dashboards. Go to the Dashboards section from the main menu or home screen. 2. Editing an existing dashboard. Select Dashboard, choose the dashboard you want to customize. Edit mode, click on the Edit button or icon, usually represented by a pencil or gear icon. 3. Customizing widgets. Add widgets. To add new widgets, click on the Add Widget button. You can select from a variety of widget types such as charts, graphs, or lists. Configure widgets. Click on the widget to configure its settings. You can adjust parameters such as data sources, filters, and display options. 4. Arranging widgets. Drag and drop. Use drag and drop functionality to rearrange widgets on the dashboard. You can position them to highlight key metrics or align them based on your preferences. 5. Saving and sharing dashboards. Save changes. Once you've customized the dashboard, save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Share dashboard. To share the customized dashboard with other users or teams, use the Share feature. You can specify permissions and access levels for different users. 6. Setting up dashboard filters. Apply filters. To make your dashboard more dynamic, apply filters that allow users to view specific subsets of data. This can be done through filter options within the widgets or dashboard settings. 7. Using dashboard templates. Templates. If you want to use predefined layouts, check if CentraHub CRM offers dashboard templates. These can be a starting point for your customization. 8. Automating dashboard updates. Scheduled refresh. Set up scheduled refreshes for the dashboard to ensure it displays the most current data. This can usually be configured in the dashboard settings. 9. User-specific dashboards. Personalization. Allow users to create or modify their own dashboards based on their roles and preferences. This ensures that everyone sees the most relevant information for their tasks. 10. Monitoring and feedback. Monitor usage. Track how often dashboards are accessed and used to identify if further customization is needed. Gather feedback. Collect feedback from users to make iterative improvements to the dashboards. Managing contacts and leads in CentraHub CRM. Managing contacts and leads in CentraHub CRM involves several key tasks and features designed to streamline customer relationship management and improve sales processes. Here's an overview. 1. Contacts management. Adding contacts. You can manually add contacts or import them from external sources like spreadsheets or other CRM systems. CentraHub CRM usually provides a form to capture essential contact information such as name, email, phone number, and company details. Contact segmentation. Organize contacts into groups or segments based on criteria such as industry, location, or engagement level. This helps in targeting specific groups with tailored marketing campaigns or sales strategies. Contact details. Each contact profile includes detailed information and history, such as interaction history, notes, and related deals. You can view and update contact details, track communication, and manage follow-ups. Integration. Sync contacts with other tools or systems such as email clients or marketing platforms to ensure up-to-date information and streamline communication. 2. Leads management. Capturing leads. Leads can be captured through various channels including web forms, social media, and email campaigns. CentraHub CRM typically provides tools to create and manage lead capture forms. Lead qualification. Use lead scoring and qualification criteria to evaluate and prioritize leads based on their potential to convert. This can include factors like engagement level, company size, and budget. Lead tracking. Monitor the status and progression of leads through the sales pipeline. CentraHub CRM usually offers visual pipelines and tracking features to see where each lead stands in the sales process. Lead assignment. Automatically or manually assign leads to sales representatives based on predefined rules or territories. This ensures that leads are followed up promptly and efficiently. Follow-up activities. Schedule and track follow-up activities such as calls, emails, and meetings. Reminders and task management features help ensure timely follow-ups. 3. Reporting and analytics. Contact and lead reports. Generate reports on contact and lead activities, performance metrics, and conversion rates. These reports provide insights into sales effectiveness and help identify areas for improvement. Dashboard. Utilize customizable dashboards to visualize key metrics related to contacts and leads. This includes lead conversion rates, contact engagement levels, and sales pipeline status. 4. Automation. Workflow automation. Set up automated workflows for repetitive tasks such as lead nurturing, follow-up reminders, and contact updates. This improves efficiency and reduces manual effort. Email campaigns. Automate email campaigns to nurture leads and engage with contacts. Segment your audience and create targeted email sequences based on lead behavior and contact preferences. 5. Integration and synchronization. Integration with other systems. Connect CentraHub CRM with other business tools like email marketing platforms, customer support systems, and ERP software to ensure seamless data flow and enhance overall productivity. Data synchronization. Ensure that contact and lead information is consistently updated across all integrated systems to maintain data accuracy and consistency. Sales pipeline management in CentraHub CRM. Sales pipeline management in CentraHub CRM is designed to help businesses effectively track and manage their sales processes from lead generation to closing deals. Here's an expanded overview of how you can manage your sales pipeline using CentraHub CRM. 1. Pipeline stages. Define stages. Customize the stages of your sales pipeline to align with your sales process. Common stages include lead, qualification, proposal, negotiation, and closed-won lost. Stage tracking. Track deals as they move through different stages. This helps in visualizing the progression of sales activities and forecasting future revenue. 2. Lead management. Lead capture. Automatically capture leads from various sources such as web forms, email, and social media. Lead qualification. Assess and score leads based on criteria such as company size, industry, and engagement level. This helps prioritize leads that are more likely to convert. 3. Deal management. Deal creation. Convert qualified leads into deals. Add relevant information such as deal value, expected close date, and associated products or services. Deal tracking. Monitor the progress of each deal through the pipeline stages. Update deal information and track activities such as meetings, calls, and emails. 4. Sales forecasting. Forecasting tools use historical data and current pipeline information to forecast future sales. CentraHub CRM provides tools to analyze trends and predict revenue. Custom reports. Generate custom reports to gain insights into sales performance, pipeline health, and forecast accuracy. 5. Activity management. Task assignment. Assign tasks and follow-ups to sales team members. Track task completion and ensure timely follow-ups. Activity logging. Record all interactions with prospects and customers, including calls, meetings, and emails. This helps maintain a comprehensive record of sales activities. 6. Sales automation. Workflow automation. Automate repetitive tasks such as lead assignment, email notifications, and follow-up reminders. This improves efficiency and reduces manual errors. Email templates. Use predefined email templates for consistent communication with prospects and customers. 7. Reporting and analytics. Dashboard. Access a customizable dashboard to view key metrics such as deal status, pipeline value, and sales performance. Analytics. Analyze data to identify trends, measure performance, and make data-driven decisions. 8. Integration. Third-party integrations integrate with other tools and systems such as email platforms, marketing automation tools, and accounting software to streamline sales processes. API access. Use APIs for custom integrations and to connect CentraHub CRM with other business applications. 9. Customization. Custom fields. Add custom fields to capture additional information relevant to your sales process. Personalized views. Create personalized views and reports to match the specific needs of your sales team. 10. Collaboration. Team collaboration. Enable team members to collaborate on deals by sharing notes, updates, and insights within the CRM. Automating workflows in CentraHub CRM. Automating workflows in CentraHub CRM can significantly enhance productivity and streamline business processes. Here's a detailed look at how you can achieve this. 1. Understanding workflow automation. Workflow automation in CentraHub CRM involves using the platform's built-in tools to automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and ensure consistency across different business functions. This can include tasks such as sending emails, updating records, or managing approvals. 2 key features for workflow automation. Workflow rules define conditions under which certain actions should be performed automatically. For example, if a lead reaches a specific score, you can set up a rule to move it to a particular stage or notify a sales representative. Task automation. Automate routine tasks such as data entry, follow-up emails, and task assignments. This can reduce manual effort and minimize errors. Approval processes. Automate approval workflows for things like expense reports, contract approvals, or project milestones. Set up conditions for automatic approval or routing to the appropriate person for review. Alerts and notifications. Configure automated notifications and alerts to keep team members informed about important updates or actions required. This can be for missed deadlines, new leads, or changes in customer status. 3. Setting up automated workflows. Define objectives. Start by identifying the key processes you want to automate. This could include lead management, customer support, or sales processes. Create workflow templates. CentraHub CRM often provides pre-built workflow templates. Customize these templates based on your specific needs or create new ones from scratch. Set triggers and actions. Define triggers, events that start the workflow, and actions, tasks that the workflow performs. For example, a trigger could be a new lead entry, and actions could include sending a welcome email and assigning the lead to a sales representative. Test and refine. Before going live, thoroughly test the workflows to ensure they perform as expected. Make adjustments as necessary based on test results and feedback. 4. Benefits of workflow automation. Increased efficiency. Automates repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Consistency. Ensures that processes are followed uniformly, reducing the risk of errors. Improved communication. Enhances internal communication through automated notifications and updates. Better data management. Reduces manual data entry and ensures data accuracy. 5. Monitoring and optimization. Track performance. Use CentraHub CRM's analytics tools to monitor the performance of automated workflows. Identify bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and refine workflows based on performance data and user feedback. This helps in adapting to changing business needs and improving efficiency. Why choose ProExcellency for CentraHub CRM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for CentraHub CRM online training can offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often features trainers with extensive experience in CentraHub CRM and a deep understanding of CRM best practices, which ensures high-quality instruction and insights. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a broad range of CentraHub CRM features, from basic functionalities to advanced customization and integration, ensuring you gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency usually provides various learning modes, including live online sessions, recorded modules, and self-paced options, allowing you to choose what best fits your schedule and learning style. Hands-on practice. They often include practical exercises and real-world scenarios in their training, which helps reinforce learning and apply concepts in a practical context. Customer support. ProExcellency typically offers robust support during and after the training, addressing any questions or issues you may have as you implement what you've learned. Certification preparation. If you're looking to get certified, their programs are often designed to help you prepare for CentraHub CRM certification exams. Reputation and reviews. Positive feedback and testimonials from previous participants can provide confidence in the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.